Hey people, welcome back to the channel. We'll be making stitch braid on a very coily hair today, and we didn't stretch it because we didn't want to, though it can be tricky working with coily hair, especially when you're doing stitch braid and not just cornrow. So stay tuned and watch your video. I'll see you at the end of the video.
'Cause I've traveled so far just to get to where you are, and I know that you're broken, but that makes you who you are. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. I know what you're feeling, I see that look in your eyes. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. 'Cause what I've been dreaming is giving you my paradise. So pick up the pieces. So pick up the pieces. Baby, I'ma be there through the rough parts of it all. Holding your hand, fighting for the things that we want. Be the rock you lean on, with you by my side. Baby, when we fall, together we'll rise. 'Cause I've traveled so far just to get to where you are. And I know that you're broken, but that makes you who you are. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. I know what you're feeling, I see that look in your eyes. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. 'Cause what I've been dreaming is giving you my paradise. So pick up the pieces. So pick up the pieces. Show me you mean it tonight.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade, fade away? Can we let it fade, fade away? We'll take it day by day. Can we watch it fade, fade away?
If you have watched up to this moment, that shows you love what you see. So please do me this honors to hit the subscribe button. You share to your loved ones, the one you feel the video will be of importance to. Like, comment, let me know what you think about what you have just watched. And also, if there's any other video, if there's any video you have in mind that you want me to do, kindly comment, and I will be at the end of it to receive your comments, and I'll respond immediately. No wasting of time. Thank you so much, family. Thank you for being a community. Thank you. Bye.